All right, guys, this graph can be a little bit confusing, so I just wanted to go over a few things with you guys before you have to jump in and kind of do it all on your own. Okay, so we're looking at this graph right here on slide number 9. As you can see, it kind of goes up and down all around, but this dotted line right here, this is hitting the maximum. Okay, so you can see right here, highest previous concentration was 300 parts per million. Okay, and there's a dot there, and that's where this dotted line is. So it's just kind of marking that 300 parts per million as that previous highest amount. Okay. If we look right here, it says in 2018, the average was 407.4. Okay, so this was 2 years ago, and our average increased by 107 parts per million. Okay, so our dot went from here all the way up to here on this graph. Okay, so again, on this side over here, we have carbon dioxide parts per million, and over here we have years before present. So this right here is getting older and older and older, and as we talked about before, we can tell these things based on the research from the rocks, all of the analysis that has been done and stuff like that. Okay, so we can see that it is normal for it to go up and it to go down, but is it normal for it to go this high, this fast? And do you think it's going to come back down soon? All right.